Several different types of dyestuffs can be used for dyeing cotton. In this example, a fiber reactive dye is being used at a temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. All the necessary steps for the addition of dyes and auxiliaries, as well as times and temperatures for the various steps, are programmed. The pre-dissolved blue fiber reactive dye is added to the first side tank. All dyes and chemicals are pre-diluted. The pre-diluted dyeing auxiliaries are added to a different tank. Auxiliaries can include lubricants for fiber-to-metal lubrication within the machine, plus sequestering for metals and dispersing agents. Metals in water can interfere with the dyeing process and the appearance and fastness of the dyed goods. An alkali, such as soda ash or a formulated liquid product, is pre-dissolved or pre-diluted and added to the third tank. The operator then activates the control panel to start the dyeing program. The basket rotates and tumbles the garments through a predetermined amount of water. The ratio of dye bath weight to fabric weight is called liquor ratio and must be maintained at the recommended level for a consistent dyeing. Salt is added to the dye bath as it serves to increase the attraction of the dye to the cotton. Either sodium chloride or sodium sulfate is used as the salt. Next, the dyes and dye bath auxiliaries are dispensed into the bath in the machine. As occurred during the bleaching procedure, each chemical addition is allowed to thoroughly mix before the next chemicals are added. The dye bath auxiliaries, salt, and dye all circulate for the programmed amount of time, and then the dye bath is heated at a controlled rate of rise to the proper dyeing temperature. After the proper amount of time has passed for the exhaustion of the dye into the fabric, the alkali is added. The alkali is necessary for the dye to become bonded or fixed onto the fabric. This reaction gives the dye class its name of fiber reactive dye. After the dye exhaustion and fixation steps, the dye bath is drained. Next, the rinsing and soap-off steps occur. Cold rinsing removes excess salt, alkali, and some residual unfixed dye from the garments. The goods next receive a hot wash or soaping to remove the remainder of the unfixed dye from the garment. Other auxiliaries are often used in this bath to remove the unfixed dye and prevent metals in the water from affecting certain sensitive dyes. The goods receive a final cold rinse and are extracted again before the finishing and drying steps.